Just take city. Look at city.
They won't con, don't con.
I plan default.
Don't con right side.
Go with it, take city plan. Jungle left.
Jungle.
One CT. I need to.
Give me ace, please.
Give him
Please.
Yeah, I'm not picking. Come. I will jump for you. Come.
Oh my god, man. Oh my. Oh.
Hello YouTube.
Oh. Guys, follow my team. They gave me ace.
Hero plays coming in from the young gun. And while it's going to take a few more of those to silence the haters. Bit of the cheer going on.
Alright, just come with me on A and you protect me while I kill them all. Alright, and then you take the weapons. Alright, nice.
You're kinda arrogant, dude.
Kinda arrogant.
It's not like you're carrying hard right now.
Where was he? Was he top?
I don't know.
Flash me, I kill.
Yeah, wait. Flash.
Eventually they'll push mid. I got this, Steve. And I'll tell you more, this guy's gonna push mid as well. I don't even have to move to win this, just watch this. 7 seconds more. No patience.
4,
3, 2.
Oh
my god,
let's go!
Why would he go mid?
That's so obvious.
He's cheating, take the chat.
Oh my god!
He's doing everything. This is looking crisp right now. And again... What is going on?
I can't.
Gdzie masz widzowie do wyłączenia?
Jest drzwiach do prawej.
No. Dobra.
No i to jest twoja runda.
O kurwa!
Nie, żebym to przewidział.
Dziękuję Kasper za parę.
O, psiajucha!
No ja nie wyszedłem.
Bullets whiz by and Simple gonna get aggressive. I'm curious to see how much respect he offers over this evening. Insta double kill from Simple, making mincemeat of Zywoo and Kyojin.
Oh, funnily enough, they know he's coming, but they want to avoid dying to the MP9.
Looking for the fourth, just the sidearm needed. Simple.
The crowd wants it.
One-man army, pre-fires the hop down. He is very much hunting shocks.
Not
it's
already.
the anti-eco ace.
Oh, you guys are giving up an ace?
Na'Vi feeling themselves already.
Simple fans are so blessed these days.
Right? It's a great time to be a Na'Vi fan.
Land is so fantastic. We're seeing so many aces, so many clutch rounds, so many less saves, as was brought up by Chad Maniac.
When they get there in their NASCAR.
Hey. Oh, I see Pimp.
Oh, he's fishing. Is he gonna catch a hot dog?
Oh,
Looking for the there we go. That's money. Pimp will do anything for free stuff.
Yeah.
Getting in at 31, which is absolutely impressive. But oh, look at the peak down the middle. They know, they see it coming. This is so smart right now for Vitality. Amazing information play. Zywoo has to stay alive though. He must live back here to buy the time, and a nice flick. Take down Convict. Shots this through. What a spray! And it's a triple to end it. Apex. Yeah, your bruise did not affect him. He does not care. 15.
Throwing flashback. Let's burn it to the ground. Throwing a grenade.